Hey guys, in this video we're gonna talk about how you can disable soundboard sounds on a Discord server. But before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Alright guys, so first of all, open up your Discord application on your PC and make sure you are logged in with your account. And after logging in, you'll be brought to the account's homepage. At the left side, you'll be able to select the preferred server on which you want to disable soundboard sounds. And after selecting your server, click on the little arrow beside your server's name to open up a drop-down menu and select server settings. Here, all of the server settings can be changed if you are the owner of that particular server. Now in the left side menu, select roles, and here all of the roles that are present inside the server will be displayed. Either you can change the permissions of an individual role, or you can just change it for every member. Click on default permissions, and then in the permissions tab, select for a soundboard. After that, toggle it off and then save the changes. Make sure you are in the everyone role to apply it for the every member. And that's how you can disable soundboard sounds on Discord. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.